Hey, this is Art with Autotex Wiper Solutions. Going to tell you all about the M5 wiper blade. Our M5 wiper is an all-steel constructed blade with riveted joints, has 100% natural compression molded rubber, and is designed specifically for each length wiper. It's going to fit your small and large hook arms, which measure 9x3 and 9x4 millimeters, both sides pins and bayonets. You're going to find this most common just about any other wiper in the market. It's used on cars, trucks, school buses, RVs, boats, you name it, you've probably seen this wiper on. Thanks for checking out the Autotex M5 wiper. We have all of your wiper solutions.